Social media is one of those things that every single website has to have on it somewhere. And you've got hundreds of available plugins for social media. And what I'm going to do is focus on creating links to your social media pages throughout the internet. And one of the plugins that I love for doing this is quite simply called Social Media Widget. And I'm going to go ahead and activate it. And what this does is it comes with default icons already built in that allow you to very quickly add your social media presence to your website and do it in a very clean way, a very concise way, but more importantly, very, very quickly. So what we're going to do is I've opened up our widgets area here, and I'm going to scroll down to the social media widget option, and we're going to scroll up, and we're going to put this one right at the top above our upcoming events. And when we open this one, this has got a huge back-end area for you to work in, which this can be a little strange to look at first, but the great thing about this is all you need to do is find the social media that you use and add in your web address for it. So for example, if you are on Facebook, you can put facebook.com/your specific page, or your specific personal page, or your specific business page. Same thing with Google Plus. You can put in plus.google.com/whatever your number is. You can do the same thing with Twitter. We're just going to put in some quick codes here. You can also add in your email address. And you can even go as far as putting your Skype URL, your Google Talk URL, and it even has available the ability to put in custom ones if you have something, some sort of social media or some sort of industry-specific site that you want to go ahead and have on this list. You can upload your icon inside of WordPress and put the URL to it here, and then put a link to your profile here. Once you fill out whichever ones you find to be appropriate, let's go ahead and put Hulu, YouTube, and Vimeo also. And what I'm going to do is click Save. And for those of you that don't know, those the places where I put the pound sign, those are just placeholders. This plugin knows that once something's in there, it needs to go ahead and activate itself. So even though these links will not work directly, it'll show what the widgets look like on the pages. So what I'm going to do is go back over here to our home page, and you'll see right here we have items that are slightly grayed out, and they are ready to click on. These are all live clickable items, and you can see when you roll over them, they'll say follow us on, and then it'll show the name of the service after that. And that is all you need to do the basic installation of this. If you want to do images that are centered, you can center them right here with the icon alignment. You can make them smaller or larger depending on your particular style. You can even add in custom areas for custom sizes or custom images if you happen to have your own set of icons that you want to use. But this by far is the quickest way to add basic social media buttons onto your site into a sidebar or into a footer.